So with these large word problems and all this information that's given, we want to process it quickly and efficiently. So what I'm going to do is just label everything that they told me as soon as I see it. So AB is 1800. They tell me that EB is 1400. They tell me that BD is 700. And finally, CD is 800. So that's right here. And they also give me a few more parts of information. So they tell me that AC and D intersect at point B, and that these two angles are congruent, which they already labeled for me. So what I want to ask myself is, when I get two triangles, is are they similar or are they congruent? So for similar, we need to check if all their angles are the same. And for congruence, we're checking if all the sides and angles are the same. Same sides and angles. So in this case, they told me that one angle was the same. And if we know our geometry, we know that actually at angle B for ABE right here is going to be the same as DBC, because these are vertical angles. So if two angles are similar, then the third must also be similar. Must be similar. And that's because of all the angles have to measure up to 180, and if two are already going to be the same, then the third has to be a certain value. So we know that now that we know these two triangles, they are similar. So when triangles are similar, then their lengths are proportional to each other. So in this case, I can set that up as 700 over 1400, which is side BD. I'll label that as BD, and this is EB. And now I want AE, which will be over here as X. This is side AE, and we need to find which side that is related to. So in that case, it's going to be related to CD, which is my 800. So I'm just going to go ahead at this point, cross multiply, and just for the sake of doing it quicker, I'm actually going to simplify that left side before that. So I get 1 over 2 equals 800 over X. So I can go ahead and cross multiply, get 1600 equals X, and that right there will be our answer.